seat.
We're gonna have a seat in the car, Angela.
On May 3rd, 2024, a woman was removed from a Brightline train after refusing to discard large scissors and causing a disturbance. What started as a ticket dispute quickly turned into an emotional meltdown caught on bodycam.
Oh, thanks.
See you to the.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Officer Anjo, spoke with police. They're asking us to ask you to step off the train. So can we step off, please, and go talk out there?
Can I tell you what happened?
Out there.
No, listen. First of all, I bought a ticket 2 weeks
What's your name?
ago.
What's your name?
Angela.
Angela? Please do it my way, because the other way is you're going to get arrested. And we really.
Why would I get arrested when I bought a ticket that I'm done doing?
So
show me what I'm doing and what I'm doing wrong.
Let's deal with them outside as far as your ticket and getting your money back or whatever you need. But we need to step off the train, please. So please grab your belongings.
But do you understand that I'm not doing anything wrong?
I understand. We'll talk more about it on the platform. But please, let's step off the train so we don't have to
So
escalate.
I bought a ticket 2 weeks ago to be on time.
You're not listening.
No, I'm listening.
Grab
that
your
you want me
belongings.
to get out of the train.
Please,
to
so you don't get arrested for trespassing.
Why am I trespassing when I walk at the and why you said that?
I'm telling you,
I'm
ma'am,
trespassing right here.
Ma'am,
open your bag. Open my bag.
Ma'am, I'm telling you that they asked me to get you.
The woman begins arguing with police, saying she has rights and calling the situation racist. Officers stay calm and ask her to step off the train. She refuses over and over.
Make me under arrest.
I don't want to. I don't want to. You're not understanding that.
No, I understand, but I need you to tell me. I have my rights as a citizen. I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay.
I bought a ticket. No, please explain to me because I bought a ticket 2 weeks ago.
I can explain it on the platform. Please stand up.
Why?
Stand up.
So you're taking my stuff?
No, I'm gonna arrest you.
We're just gonna step off the train. We're gonna step off the train and have a conversation.
Thank you. Perfect.
Do
you want to carry it, or you want me to carry it for you?
Thank you. But this is not right because I bought a ticket 2 weeks ago.
Let's talk about it.
There is nothing law. There is nothing against the law I'm doing here.
You are. We're asking you to step off, and you're not listening. That's against the law.
Why?
I'd be happy to explain. Is this hers too?
What am I'm doing against the law?
Okay, so they're a private.
No, let's talk about that because you cannot make me.
Happy.
I'm doing it that is illegal.
Happy to explain it. So when they're a private business. Okay, they can refuse service to anyone for any reason.
For what? And what was my reason?
I don't know.
So you don't know. So they just called you. I don't like this person.
Yes.
I want to take it out of my plane.
Yes.
And then you can kick me out.
Yes.
And that's legal.
100%.
Okay.
And so it's a private business. They don't need a reason to refuse service to anybody. Okay? Once they ask you to step off and you don't leave, that becomes trespassing. Then it becomes criminal. It becomes a police matter. So when we come here and say, please get off because they want you off, and you say no, now you're trespassing. Now you're subjecting yourself. You're opening yourself up.
So why are you taking me over? I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
Is that like what is it called? Racist thing or what?
Officers explain clearly. The train company wants her off. She keeps repeating, "I bought a ticket." Like that cancels all rules. She refuses to leave, pushing the situation further.
Is that what it is?
So you tell me, why did you take me over?
Because they said they don't want you on their train.
Why?
I didn't ask why. It doesn't matter why.
It has to matter why.
You're confused. You're confused. You don't understand. So, do you want to see if you can get a phone number? I'll get a phone number for you.
No,
so you
there is no phone number.
Do you have a phone number that she can either complain or whoever to try and get her money back? Do you have a phone number I can give her that she can call corporate if she wants to deal with the refund issue? Yeah. That way we can send her on her way and she has a reason to come back.
Sure.
It was all over up here, scissors. I don't even know where I want to give it back.
Oh, okay.
What's our customer service phone number?
Yeah, there you go.
So she did that in our station with our guests, and when I went on the train, see what was going on, she's
not very reasonable. Yeah, she's just pretty emotional.
So it's
Customer service number?
Yes, please.
831-539-2901.
Thank you.
and if I can get her, if at some point you get her name,
I'll try. You just want her gone for today, right? If she comes back, then we'll escalate it. Okay.
Why were you still yelling?
I came from Aventura to Boca at 11 a.m.
Yeah, I got
Okay,
that.
I'm doing a service.
Right, what we're talking about right now, though.
Right now, I finished the service.
You finished your service, you went on the train,
I
they
went
took
onto
the scissors.
train, and then I have two scissors, small and big.
Right, and it's their policy.
So I took the big ones, and they told me, listen, you can have big scissors.
Right.
I told them, listen, your scissors. These scissors are $10. I came from Aventura. I'm a hairdresser. If you don't want to carry hairdressers on your train, you should say, hairdressers are not allowed on bright line, okay?
We find out the real issue. She had scissors and wouldn't give them up. She also appears drunk, yet she still thinks she's the victim. The officers stay patient.
Just, I don't know what is the word for that, but it's stupid. And now, I'm here on my train, and I say, you know what, I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue this train because, first of all, I'm not bringing anything illegal. I bought a ticket 2 weeks ago.
That's the customer service number, if you want to make
No, but you cannot take me off a train. I'm doing a fucking job. You should say, hairdressers, should I come on fucking train, bright line, because you bring scissors. And you take me off a train that I booked 2 weeks ago. Take my shit, open it up.
Do you want us to help you figure out a ride home, or are you able to figure
I don't want to pay extra. That's the problem.
You're not
I
going
don't
on
have
Brightline.
to pay extra for something that I paid 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
And they don't tell
So
if
you don't
you're
want
a
our help?
hairdresser, you will bring
So you don't want our help? You don't want our help?
I don't want to pay extra.
Okay.
That's the problem.
You need to grab your belongings and get off their property.
Why?
Please.
Why?
Because they don't want you here.
Why? Because you just want to be whatever races or what is your argument?
Ma'am.
You don't have the right to do that.
You don't listen when I respond to you anyway. You've just been yelling at us.
Okay. So what is your response?
My response is, they don't want you here.
Why?
Their next step is they're going to trespass you here from Brightline.
Why?
They're about to trespass you for 1 year from Brightline.
Why?
You know what that means?
What did I do?
0730 10. The woman blames racism, yells about being a hairdresser, and threatens to sue. Officers stay respectful but start warning her about trespassing. She still refuses to leave.
And a lie without proof.
So can you?
And you just make it up.
This is part of your problem. You don't listen. So can you grab your belongings and get off their property,
No,
please?
I don't have to get over the problem because I didn't do anything wrong.
Are you refusing to get off their property?
Yes.
Okay, you're under arrest. Thank
For
you.
real?
For real, for real. We're trying to be really patient with you. Hold on.
I'm gonna take this off.
No, this is my phone.
Yep. I'm gonna end your recording because we're recording, okay?
No, you don't have to end it because you press.
Well, your battery's gonna die.
You arrest me for no reason.
All right.
You didn't even tell me that I was gonna get arrested.
We told you several times. Let me ask you this: have you been drinking tonight?
No.
Yes, you have.
No.
No.
Come on,
No.
Angela.
No.
We can smell it.
No.
Okay.
Well, from 11 a.m. and I cannot brush my teeth.
It doesn't smell like food.
Well, I haven't.
Okay.
Listen, I work.
If you don't mind, just start taking her that way. I'm gonna get 14 from them.
Please don't throw my stuff from anything because I really work honestly from my work.
Oh. Bravo 33, white female, 1015.
White female, 1015.
Who can I put you as? Are you the manager here?
After countless warnings, officers arrest her. She screams that she wasn't told, even though they told her many times. She claims she didn't drink, but her behavior says otherwise.
She was upset about it.
it started in here.
went
And
onto the
then
train.
when I went on the train, she still had her
Right.
demeanor, and
Yeah.
I asked her to leave. I came back at some point, even said, you know what, just come off before the police arrive. I'll try to.
Yeah,
I would
yeah.
have Ubered her wherever she was
Oh
going.
my goodness.
But
Just totally unreasonable.
yeah.
Okay.
You've got a small
some point we-
sample
I'm
of-
sure.
of what
People's
was
attitude tends to be different when we come here.
taken.
How long did she delay that train?
32 minutes.
Thanks.
Will you give us her information or a case number?
Yeah, I'll get you a case number.
That would be great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got it. What's the address here? I'll use the Brightline address for you.
101 Northwest 4th Street.
Okay, I should have. Is that a good address for any Brightline, or just the Boca one?
Station.
Thank you.
Whenever you got her name to pass it along.
You got it. Do you want her trespassed from Brightline? Not yet, or
I really feel bad that she let it get to this point.
I know. I think she's just a little drunk. I think is what it is, but I don't. It's up to you. I'm not gonna do it if you don't want to. Okay. So not right now. Okay, that's fine. Should be trespassed for tonight.
Yes.
Taking that away from me.
She has a bunch of food.
I need my
Yeah.
bag.
We're gonna get all your stuff.
That is
Angela, you have any drug weapons? Anything in this?
so. I have my purse, my money. I have makeup bag.
What money? You have cash?
I have some. Maybe I have some cash, and I might have a pepper spray.
Yeah.
She's crying, saying she works hard and shouldn't be treated this way. Officers handle her calmly, collect her things, and take her away. She delayed the train for 32 minutes.
What is
You searched already? Yeah. Thanks. Have a seat.
We're gonna have a seat in the car, Angela.
You guys are so messed up. And where is my purse and my medallion?
I'm gonna start writing my PC.
Yeah, you're good.
You
You want to just drop all this in evidence? We can just drop it in one bag. Just take her credit card, DL, and phone
Yeah, that works.
to county, and then we'll just drop it off in evidence. Or you want
Yeah.
to take her cash too?
Yeah, we can put that in the bag for county.
You got a little bag, you know?
I do.
She was charged with trespassing and public intoxication after refusing to comply with officers' orders and causing a disturbance on board the train.